How to add Clock Widget in Windows 11. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Microsoft Store. Then go to search bar and search for Clock Widget. In here, you'll find all these options. You can choose any from it, but simply, I will download B Widgets. Simply click on B Widget and then click on Get. As you can see, it's being installed. After it's installed, simply click on Open and then click on New Widget. After New Widget, you'll find this kind of screen pop up. In here, you'll find all these options. Simply click on Date or Time. If you want clock, simply click on Time, then click on Customize. You'll find all these options. If you want to change, you can change. If not, as you can see, widget has been added, and that's how to add a clock widget in Windows 11. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I'm Sophia signing off. Until next time.